Hi, I'm Dee and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, it's going to be very quick. I just wanted to show you how to use your brand colors in Instagram, how to get your fonts, your brand colors. And as you can see here where my highlights are, those are my brand colors right there. Those, the turquoise pink and that brown type of color. And then I also have like a light pink as well. So this is just me going into Instagram app, going into the stories, selecting a picture. Now I am going to type my word right here. Happy posting. And I just found this out like the other day. I almost never see people using their fonts, their brand colors inside of the Instagram app. So I'm so glad that I figured that out because that was really bothering me. So anyway, so you saw me going to the color wheel, then I pressed the blue. So you have to press down and then move it around to your liking, to whatever your font color is. So this is as close as I can get, or this is as close as I got. So I'm going back in. I hit the pink. You have to press it and move it. I forgot to type. So I'm going to type happy posting. Then I'm going to go hit the pink again, and then I'm going to keep pressing until I get the desired color. That's not really my color because it's more purplish, but you get the point. It's close. It's close enough. And so, yeah. So I go back. I'm just trying to position that. And then I'm going to go back, type. And then this color that I'm about to do is not part of my brand colors, but I just wanted to, do it multiple times so you guys can see what I'm doing. I went to the yellow, pressed down, then it brought me to that color formula wheel, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do it again. Then I'm going to hit the pink, go to whatever desired color that I want in the pink. Bam. Easy peasy. Then I'm going to do one more. I'm going to go back to, I'm going to type, and then press down on that blue, and then I'm going to go to the desired blue that I would want if my brand colors were blue. Okay, that blue, so cute. So that is it. I hope that you guys followed along. I hope that this was helpful, and I'll be back with more.